Reset your mind. Welcome back, legends. If you're here, it means you're ready to grow stronger, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. This is Stoic Men Tribe, where discipline is built and weak habits are left behind. Tonight's video is powerful. We're talking about how to reset your mind overnight, how your thoughts, beliefs, and focus can be reshaped while you sleep, so you wake up calmer, sharper, and more in control of your life. Most men try to change their lives during the day, fighting distractions and noise. But the real transformation happens in silence, in rest, in the hours when your subconscious is most open. Before we begin, subscribe to Stoic Men Tribe if you're committed to becoming a better man. Like this video if self-mastery matters to you. Comment your mindset goals below, and share this with a brother who needs it. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss content that strengthens your mind. Now breathe, relax, and let's begin. Chapter 1. What is a mind reset? A mind reset is not magic, and it is not wishful thinking. It is the process of clearing mental noise, breaking old thought patterns, and planting new, stronger beliefs in your subconscious mind. Every day, your mind collects stress, fear, doubt, and negative self-talk. These thoughts don't disappear on their own. They stack up. Over time, they shape how you see yourself, how you react to challenges, and how you live your life. A mind reset is the act of pressing pause and choosing a new direction. When you reset your mind, you are not erasing who you are. You are removing what no longer serves you. Limiting beliefs, self-sabotage, emotional weight from the past. You make space for clarity, discipline, confidence, and focus. The most powerful resets happen when the conscious mind is quiet. That's why sleep is so important. During sleep, your subconscious is active and receptive. It absorbs repetition. It accepts suggestion. It rebuilds identity. A mind reset means going to bed with intention, feeding your mind the right thoughts, words, and emotions, so you wake up aligned with the man you are becoming, not the man you were yesterday. This is where change begins, not in noise, but in stillness. Chapter 2. Steps to take to reset your mind. While sleeping. Resetting your mind while sleeping doesn't happen by accident. It requires intention. What you do in the final moments before sleep determines what your subconscious carries into the night. First, disconnect from noise. At least 30 minutes before sleep, step away from social media, arguments, and negative content. Noise keeps the mind alert. Silence prepares it to reset. A calm environment tells your brain it's safe to release the day. Second, clear your mental load. Do not go to bed carrying unfinished thoughts. Write down worries, tasks, or emotions. When you empty your mind onto paper, you free your subconscious from stress and overthinking. Third, control your final input. Your mind absorbs the last thing you see and hear before sleep. Replace random scrolling with affirmations, calming audio, or quiet reflection. Speak strength into yourself. Simple words like, I am disciplined, I am focused, I am becoming better. Fourth, visualize the man you want to become. Picture yourself calm, confident, and in control. See yourself handling challenges with patience and strength. The subconscious learns through images more than logic. Fifth, sleep with intention. As you close your eyes, set a clear command. Tonight, my mind resets. I release stress and wake up renewed. This directs your subconscious toward growth instead of chaos. A reset doesn't require force. It requires consistency. Night after night, these small steps rebuild your mindset, and over time, they reshape your life.